Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Yep. Uh, What's up, chat? Sorry for the delay, man. I've
Sorry, we had to go to one meeting as soon as we started.
yeah, there was one little meeting that we had to do, but now we're so
Yeah,
back.
we forgot, like always. We're always forgetting stuff.
Wait. Yeah, how we doing, chat? Everybody feeling
Hello.
good? Oh my god.
Guys, we need 100 subscribers.
That's the craziest, not gonna lie.
So if you're feeling crazy, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please.
We have 99,901. Oh my god, chat. Road
Okay,
to
we're gonna
100k. Oh my god, we got
we're
one
gonna try.
subscriber. Thank you for subscribing.
Let's go. Yeah, you have the subscriber counter on the screen.
I'm trying to do it. Yeah, wait.
You did that yesterday.
Yeah, like this. I think this is cool. I'll put a little
Okay,
bit more down.
I opened up a brand new world. Hold on, when do we need to head off for the
Maybe
show?
like 1.5 hours or something.
Okay, we have 1.5 hours to beat Minecraft, guys.
Chat, should we do it? Should we do it? Of course we do it. Come on, you know us.
And get 100k. And get 100k. Tell your friends that we're live, and if they like the live, they can subscribe.
Okay, wait. Let me post on Instagram story also. Chat, say hi to Instagram. Wait.
I'm just telling you, hold on, I've already started the world.
Nice, very good, very good.
I'm getting food for days.
I'm just we are live. Yeah, wow. Chat, you say hi Instagram. I'll use the soon emoji. And then I'll do, wait, chat, sorry, I'm cooking Instagram story. It's gonna be so worth it, I swear to God.
It's okay, I will be grabbing food, so we're ready just to mine.
Yeah, perfect.
That's,
This
guys,
so
this
perfect,
is
chat.
what we call good use of time.
Truly.
Yes, Georg. Georg is yapping in the background. He wants to go outside, like always.
Oh my God, your cat is crazy. What the hell?
He just wants to go outside. But he's an indoor cat. He can't go outside. He lives very high up.
Alright, wait. Alright, we're back. Let's go. Let's go to world. Let's do this, chat. I missed the sub count on screen. Wait, the sub count not on screen. What the flippity? I thought I had it on screen. This one. Aha. We have it here, chat.
Okay, guys. 90 subscribers. Bro, we're literally gonna hit 100k in the stream.
You think so?
It might happen. I have very good faith.
That would be crazy, not gonna lie. Alright.
I opened the sub counter here on my side.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah.
Okay.
Playing Minecraft, 91 subs. Oh my god, 90 subs. Oh my god. I think this might happen, not gonna lie. What the
That's
flippity?
what I'm saying. Bro.
Oh my god, this is crazy. What the flippity?
Okay,
Oh my god.
I've grabbed food. We need wood.
I feel like we've been getting more subscribers recently.
Yeah, we have.
I think it's because like, oh my god, it's 1 year since Eurovision, and people are like, oh my god, remember these guys
Who are
from
the
last
bad
year?
guys? Oh,
And
I'm
then-
gonna subscribe
and
to
then
the
they
YouTube channel
yeah,
because
then they
they're so
subscribe.
silly.
That's like the dream. Oh my god, we have to do eye reveal at 100k. We
Oh,
promised
bro,
this.
I'm stressed to do eye reveal.
Yeah, I never revealed eyes
What will
before.
people think about my eyes?
I know, I don't know. I'm kinda scared.
Yeah,
check
please
it
don't judge my eyes if we reach 100,000 subscribers.
No, I feel like Vibe Gang will be alright with them. But
I hope so.
But we'll never know, actually. Give
Okay.
me more subscribers. Alright.
Give me more subscribers. Okay, guys, I have a lot of food.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Nom.
So we are literally good to go to cave right now.
Oh shit, do you have for me also?
Yeah, I have. You want me to read the menu? What we have on the day today?
Yes.
For today we have.
Oh, sorry, it was small.
11 raw mutton, and we have 6 raw chicken, We have 1 raw pork chop and 6 raw beef.
Wow, that's great menu, Matti. Looks
Yeah,
interesting.
but we need to cook it. We need to cook it. We need to cook it.
Yeah, true.
Cooking in the kitchen.
I don't have
Are you
any.
stealing my wood?
I don't have any wood, bro. You have to
Bro,
do the.
go get wood. Get wood, bro.
Okay, I'll have to go way far to get wood, but okay.
Bro, you can't go to cave without the wood.
No, that's true. Very
Or
much
we can
true. Very
plant a
much true.
tree and watch it grow.
All right, we got it here. Don't hurt the little cow. I will not. Come on.
Yeah, that's a good rule. No hurting the little cow. Oh my god, I fell.
Biri biri beep biri. Biri biri beep biri. I'm getting mom to subscribe. Oh, let's go, chat. Come on.
Everyone, get your mom to subscribe.
This is crazy, not gonna lie.
Bro, 15.
I can't wait to get those plaques.
Yeah, the 1,000,000 subscriber plaque. 1,000,000 subscribers before end of February.
Oh my god, I like that. Oh my god, there's no way we will get 100,000 subscribers before end of May. This is literally like what we've been planning for a year.
This is exactly what we planned. It's all going according to plan.
I know, that's the craziest part, bro. Okay, I got so much wood now.
Okay, nice, because I have to use my wood to cook the food. Cook the food, cook the food.
Die.
Where is
Die.
oven?
Die.
Oven. I need oven. Oven.
I'm trying to
Nice.
kill sheep. Die. Die tragically. Come on, die. Let's go.
I created. Pickaxe, check.
Alright. And you are where?
At spawn.
Alright. Oh my
But
god,
there are
more
zombies
chicken.
attacking me.
Yeah, kill them. We need their food. Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Ba-da-ba-ba. Alright. I will create. Wait, you are where? You're this direction. Okay, sorry.
I said I'm at spawn.
I'm so proud that you now play in Snace in Vienna. It's a much bigger. Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, on the door.
Hell yeah. Oh my god, nice. Wait. Ah!
How much wood do you have? How much wood
I
could
have
Halton chuck if
54.
a woodchuck could chuck
I
wood?
just create wood pickaxe.
Uh-huh. Clever boy.
Wait, no, you already have stone.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't need this wood pickaxe. I did it for nothing.
Bro, you already have it, so you can use it.
Alright. Alright then. Alright then.
Use what God gave you.
I just
He
using.
gave you wood pickaxe.
God, give me wood pickaxe. I use wood pickaxe. Good point. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. I don't need more. And now I will craft. Beautiful stone pickaxe.
I have so much wool. We're good for
Oh my god, let me eat. Sorry, I will eat
2
your food.
beds. Yeah, it's okay, you can camp. As long as you don't take my wood.
I put more in oven, no worry.
Nice. You take, you give.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should be good to go to caves.
Alright, very good. There is cave here, I feel like. Yes, there is.
Okay, nice. I'm gonna grab my stuff and let's go.
I'm gonna get sword though. I need sword, or else we die. I don't wanna die.
Ah, I took the crafting table though.
Oh well.
Come here, man. Where is the cave? Where are you?
I'm here,
Why
come
are
on.
you in this hole? Come on.
Yeah, there is cave
Get
here.
out of this hole.
Inside of the hole.
What?
Yep.
Is there coal? Because I don't see anything.
Bro, there is crazy amount of creepers here. Like,
I don't. Okay, let's go another cave. I want to see coal and stuff.
alright.
I can't bother with this. Okay,
All
remember,
right.
get food, otherwise we will be stuck with rotten flesh.
All right.
Like
All right.
always.
All right. All right. All right.
Oh, it's nighttime almost. And I have not created beds.
Okay, I have enough for bed.
Yeah, me too. Oh, wow, this is beautiful.
Let's create beds.
Yeah.
And let's sleep.
You're just gonna create your own bed, right?
Yes, I already did. Brrr. Oh my god, one shot, one kill, chat.
Can't
You know
sleep.
how it is.
Can't sleep. Can't sleep. Can't sleep. 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 Sleep.
Sleep,
Sleep.
sleep,
Sleep.
sleep,
Sleep.
sleep,
Sleep.
sleep, sleep. Sleep, 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 please,
Bro,
sleep,
I want
sleep,
to sleep.
sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
Oh
Sleep.
my
Ah.
god. Oh, nice.
Bro, we have 930 subscribers.
I know, bro, it's crazy. We're almost there.
Guys, it's crazy. I think low-key we'll get there on stream. Oh my god, skeleton alive still in the daytime.
Oh my god.
Die. Okay, let's go find a cave with coal so we can create torches. Where are you though?
Wait, I'm not sure.
Are you not sure where you are? Bro. Ah,
Oh my
it's
god,
you.
I found cave.
Come here.
I found cave.
Yeah, no. Come.
Wait,
come.
I'm gonna get the coal. I'm gonna get the coal.
Is there coal?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Then you can put torches. Then maybe it's a good cave. I don't know. I don't want to go a cave I cannot see into, you know.
No, I see.
That's not my motto in life.
How long will you play in Euroclub, they say? 3 songs.
15 minutes.
Yeah, we're booked for 3 songs.
Oh, there is coal here. Is there more coal? No, not more coal. Yes, Georg, I know it's hard life being a cat. Georg is having a hard time being a cat, guys.
Oh my god.
Pray for Georg, pray for Georg. Okay, let's go.
Wait. Yeah.
We have no time to waste, hold on.
Yeah, that's true.
Because we have to go in like 1.5 hours. So if we're gonna beat Minecraft, we have to get going. I'm gonna get the sugar cane so I can create book and enchant like last time, but then I died.
Oh my god, Matti, lava pool.
Where?
Here.
I don't know where here is.
No.
Ah,
Alright.
see you.
Let's go up here.
Lava pool. That sounds like Liverpool.
Big ups Liverpool.
Shout out to Liverpool.
Why is chat saying 6-7? Oh, we need 6-7.
Oh, we need 6-7 subscribers.
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Now no one will subscribe because they just want to have like 6-7, you know.
Yeah. Teach us Icelandic. I'll teach you one word. Heilablóðfall.
Now you guys try to figure out what that means.
Yep.
I'll teach you one word. Heilablóðfall.
That's a good word, not gonna lie.
That's a very good first word to learn.
I think so too.
I think the best one to learn.
Yeah.
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 Where is the cave? Cave, where are you? Cave, where are you? Cave. Oh, coal. Nice. My first coal.
Nice.
Did you literally take it? You literally took it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. You can
I
keep
have lots. I have lots, man. I have lots. Oh, my
it. Oh,
God,
hold on. Here,
60
cave.
subs.
Cave is here. Here
Where?
is cave. No, it's not cave. It's just a water pool.
Oh my god, so beautiful landscape. Wow.
Guys, I'm...
The swamp. The
Oh,
llamas.
wait.
Everything we ever needed. We're on the top
Everything I ever wanted in
of the world.
life
200k,
is
chat. Road to
here.
100k.
Literally, guys,
I found cave.
didn't think this was possible.
Found cave.
I only thought it would happen in my dreams.
Come to me. Is here.
Yeah, come here. Is it good cave or is it fake cave?
I guess we'll see.
This is not cave, what do you mean? This is just a pool.
No, no, just inside of the pool, you know. See? If you go here.
But there's iron on the other side, I see it. I have to bridge to it. Ah, I have wood.
Oh.
Perfect.
See here, Matti. Here, Matti.
Wait, I'm doing bridge.
I'll make more torches. Ooh.
Oh, bro, 2 iron. I can create a sword. That's worth it.
Think so?
You know, it's better to have 2 but than none, you know.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Than the none.
Oh, Matti, I have a good cave here, I think.
You think so?
Yes,
Are you lying?
I've at least
Are you lying?
I found some iron here. Oh, skellies! Oh no, my God! No,
Don't die, please.
Yep.
I see. It's a cave.
Hey,
hold on. We can create shields.
Yeah, create shield, please. We're nothing without shield.
No,
yeah,
hold on.
Go up.
I'm dead. I'm just going further down.
Oh my God, you guy.
I don't see anything. I don't have anything.
Do you have blocks? Can you like block yourself out or something?
I don't see what I'm doing. Okay, I think I'm good. Wait, okay. Bro, I thought you already locked it off.
No, it did not. Wait.
Okay, that's okay. That just means that you have to get here.
Yeah, I create shield, no worry.
Oh, you have iron?
I found 1 iron. One singular
I
iron.
will create a shield. Yeah, that's enough for shield.
It is.
I'll just create a shield for me, and you create a shield for you.
Alright.
Then we're good to go.
Let's just burn
Yeah, I need more sticks. Yeah. I need more sticks, and I can create... Ah, perfect, okay. Everything is ready. Oh, maybe use this and cook my food meanwhile.
Iron done. That's me.
Where is shield? Wait, I don't have enough wood. Wait. Shield, perfect. Bing.
Oh my God, you truly went far down.
Yeah, bro, I ran. I didn't see anything. I just ran and tried to hide. What did you expect me to do?
No, you did the right thing. You did the right thing.
Instead of dying,
yeah,
it's better than...
Oh my goodness. This is big, chat. This is big.
Oh. It's big, guys. It's big. Oh, guys, you need 55 subscribers.
I know. Peak. It's crazy.
Peak.
Yeah, come on. You're safe. There's nothing here.
Am I safe?
Yes.
I'm just cooking my food and having a good time at the grill.
Barbecue without me. Damn.
Yeah, sorry, bro.
That's kinda rough.
I had to.
Alright, 2 creeperinos.
Creeper!
They're both dead.
Did you take the iron that was here?
No.
Oh, there was some iron maybe here. I saw it where I was running.
Interesting.
Where is the iron? I don't know.
What chat saying? They're saying buyback's used.
Oh, that would be a dream.
That would go crazy. I swear I would go crazy on my verse.
There's nothing here. Okay, let's leave this place.
Wait. I'm
oh my God.
Nothing.
What?
You spent 5 hours painting us. Somebody in chat.
Damn. That's dedication, man.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Thank
oh
you.
My God, yeah, I found the opening.
Where? You went back up. Yeah.
Yep.
Over here. Ah, I see you.
Alright, creeper. Alright.
Iron.
Iron. Lots of good stuff. I'll use the golden chest plate. Yeah, we're doing good.
You have gold chestplate, how?
It's vibrate within the art. Hell yeah.
W vibrate.
It's because zombie dropped for me. He gave me. It was
Damn.
gift.
Wow. That's so beautiful.
I know. He gave me gift. I'm like, zombie be like, bruh, you want gift? I'd be like, yeah, of course.
Yes, please. You say that.
Yes.
Yes, I like.
That's what I say, you know?
Bro, I always, when I place down torch, I place down 2. Ah! See, a lot of mobs here. Come here.
I'm getting
But
iron.
this is a good
No,
opening.
wait, I'm
It's a
getting
good
coal.
opening.
I'm getting coal. Yeah. I'm gonna do iron pickaxe real quick. But first I will need to get all the coal. All the coal I ever needed.
That's all I ever wanted.
Was to see you shining and da-na-na-na-na-na. Cause all I ever wanted was to see you shining. And all I ever wanted was to be with you. Oh, my life. We're gonna build this party tonight.
Ah, I'm fighting 3 mobs at once.
And you are where exactly?
I told you I went down.
Ah, here. Bro, you too. You have so many torches. Goddamn.
Are you on iron duty?
I believe so, yes. I am gonna smelt.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the iron I have in the smelter too.
Put it here. We're doing
There's
good.
more iron there, by the way.
We're doing very good.
We're doing amazing.
Okay, there are some mobs down there. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Don't die, don't die.
No. I never die, bro. Very good. We got some gold here. Might be useful. Okay, chat. We're doing good.
Okay, there's a big opening here. Very good.
Okay, very good. No, wait.
Oh my
not
god,
wood.
there are so many mobs here. Always forget we're on hard. We always play just normal.
I know. We have so many mobs.
Oh my god, I'm dead! Zombie with a spear came behind me. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. Hold on.
Bro. Bruh.
Try.
Bruh.
Okay, this is the 15th time. 15 is a lucky number, guys. You know that.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Can't believe it.
He had an iron spear and I did not have anything. Hey, iron at spawn. Nice.
No way.
Yeah, iron here. Ah, zombie! Okay, I'm just gonna let him kill me. It's cause I'm...
Don't die. We are in
I should
ice
be
world.
punished.
We're in ice world.
I should be punished.
Iceland! Oh my god. That's my country.
Oh, bro, that's the run. If we're in Iceland. Ah, I'm being bombarded by 3 zombies.
Yeah, I'm here.
You guys just have to babysit me like a baby, because I just die.
Oh my god. This is a pain.
Bro, I'm dead.
No, you're not dead, bro. You're not gonna let
Yes.
zombie kill you, bro. This is the run. What do you
I'm
mean?
1 heart. I'm 1 heart, hold on. I'm
Yeah,
1
yeah.
heart. Half a heart. I'm half a heart.
Yeah, you're good. We're alive.
Bro, I'm playing Minecraft with half a heart.
We're all good. It's all good.
Do you have any rotten flesh?
Yes.
Okay, come where I am. I'm
Eat
trying
this.
to build a staircase down.
Should we
Come,
not
come down.
Yeah, okay. XP.
We need trees, hold on. We have to go there.
Yeah, true.
Guys, we lost a subscriber because I died. I'm sorry, guys. It's my fault we're not winning.
Wow.
Well, this was a rough start to another run.
Yep. Polar bear! Hello!
Oh, don't
Oh my
make him
god!
attack you.
He will attack you. I thought he was friendly.
Yeah. I thought so too.
He was not.
But now I run on the other side.
Yes, run past him, please.
I run around him.
We gotta go get away from Iceland.
Bro, I have 3 huts. That's so good.
Wow, there's so cool structures. Is
I
this
need more
ice
food if I'm
trees?
gonna-
Is this how trees looks in Iceland?
Should we restart? It's a bad seed, I think.
I don't care really. Wait,
No, that's what the professionals do. They always reset.
yeah, when they have bad shit. I found
Yeah.
a village at least.
Oh, where?
Ice village. We can check it out.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. Oh my god, ice village! Average town in Iceland be like. Oh my god.
Guys, where are all my subscribers? I haven't seen it move.
Took one bed with me. We got chest. Okay, we got some coal. We got
Nice.
beetroot soup. I'll drink
Nice.
it actually. Om nom 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 nom. Mmm, good soup. Alright.
Cause all I ever wanted.
Furnace. Another chest. More coal, more potato. Don't need the seeds, I think. Smelter, actually value.
I've never used smelter before.
Yeah, the new food cooks faster.
Oh, no way.
Yes way, bro.
Bro, why is no one talking about it?
I know, man. I know. And also blast furnace.
What does that do?
The ore goes faster.
Except aura.
More potato.
Fast aura.
I'll take the snowballs also. More stuff here. Okay, we got bundle, we got leather, we got bread, I got armor. Alright.
You got armor already,
Leather armor, leather armor.
but that's armor, you know.
Don't kill the protector of the
Gollum.
village.
Bro, potatoes give you half a heart.
Yeah, they're not value. Unless you cook
No.
them. You can cook them.
Yeah, cook it in the kitchen.
I think I've opened all chests. I think so. I think so, but I'm not sure, you know. I've been here, yes.
Okay, I think we should continue with our journey.
Yes, I think so too. But we need
Maybe
food
kill
first, though.
these animals.
Take one. Oh my god. Leather armor! There was one chest that just gave me leather armor. I give you chest plate. It's very good. Yeah, so we go along our journey, go to another place.
Yep.
Alright, let's go this direction. This direction!
Okay.
Follow me!
What? Yeah, okay, let's go. Yeah, this looks more promising.
Alright.
How do you have any wood?
No.
Bro, get yourself wood.
Cave, baby! A big one!
Okay.
Holy guacamole!
Get yourself wood, and we're good to go.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Do we have bed?
Yeah, I want bed.
Nice.
Singular bed.
Oh my god. is crazy, not gonna lie. I have a bad habit.
Whoa.
I'm a speeding
Whoa.
addict.
Oh my god, this cave.
Uh-huh. That's what I'm saying, man.
Should we just go straight down or should we try to get the ores that are hanging up there? Or what?
Nah, just go down, right? I think so.
Alright.
Do you have...
Crafting table. Oh.
Wait.
Are
You
you gonna make pickaxes?
Yes, I can make pickaxe for both. But
Okay.
Bro, get some trees. Get some trees.
Good plan, good plan, good plan.
I think so.
Yeah, you get pickaxes, I get trees. Make a furnace so we can cook the potatoes. Then we have a better food source.
Yes. I'll just grab a bunch of this.
Yeah.
Then we should be good. My name is Martin, I'm just passing through, yeah.
Skibbity toilet. Skibbity, skibbity toilet.
Skibbity, whoa,
Isn't that
skibbity,
popular
hey,
anymore?
skibbity, hey, yo, whoa, hey, whoa.
Do you have any food?
Yes, I got some. Couple.
Okay, nice. Just as long as we cook it all, we're good.
Yeah, that's true.
We're so good. Guys, 2 more subscribers. 2 more.
Wait, for what?
Until we get 50.
Uh-huh.
And then we need 50 more, you know? Instead of saying we need 52 subscribers, you say we need 2 subscribers. Then you say we need 50.
I see.
Then it sounds less, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
If anyone has not told their grandma to subscribe yet, tell them. Help the City Brothers to get 100,000. Because otherwise we just get it off screen, you know? We just want to get it live, you know?
Yeah, it would be more fun.
Yeah, otherwise we're just playing a gig and then, oh, we reached 100,000 subscribers.
That's what I'm saying.
Because I'm pretty sure it will happen today. We are getting more than 50 every day.
Yeah, I think so too.
So it's just, do you want to have it off screen or on screen?
Oh no, polar bear, don't attack. Don't go near.
Yeah, don't. Please don't.
Yeah, here's a pickaxe.
Ah, grazie.
Do what you want with it. Now we go down.
No sword.
Oh,
For
yes.
protection.
Okay, wait.
For protection.
I
Yeah,
got you.
what are you doing? You crazy.
Here, take. And also take this.
Ah, you had an extra one.
I had
didn't
one
even
extra.
want to share.
One extra. Just for you.
Try to hide it from me.
Yeah, you can take this
Why
also.
did you give me this? Ah!
Sorry, it was snowball.
Oh my god. I thought there was someone attacking me. I forgot. I was in the inventory.
Oh my god, 950 chat! We're 50 subscribers away! No, we're not.
We need one subscriber to 50.
We go down.
What do you
Okay,
mean?
wait, nothing. Okay, let's go down. Ready? Wait, no. No, yeah, let's... No, wait, sleep first.
Smart. Okay, sleep. Come here.
Sleep.
Sleepy. Sleep me. I sleep, sleep me.
Okay, nice.
Economy Plus. That's a good song. We need 48 subscribers, guys. 48 or you'll be late. Okay, do you have torches? Hold on. Are you there? Hello? Hello? What happened?
Wait.
What happened? What's going on? Hold on. Are you alive? Yeah, I hear you. I hear
Yeah,
you.
now it works. Okay.
What happened?
Bro, my mic is just tragic. I don't know what to say.
Ah.
I got nothing else for you. It's just I have bad
Okay,
mic.
we could go here. See.
Let's do it.
Keep on being in the water. Don't just drop down.
Wait.
What?
Gonna go get
Yeah,
this
go get the iron. Oh, there's more over there. Yeah.
Okay, what's just one iron though?
There's more. Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's so
There
much
were
iron here, bro.
more next to you.
Yeah, nice. It's okay. I got like billions irons here.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I see here. Wow, perfect. Do they have snow diamonds, guys? Tell me in chat.
Don't know.
Because I see they have snow iron.
Oh yeah. Probably.
Iron wrapped in snow, guys. That's the concept, you know.
Okay.
The coal up there, we need that, I think. But
Let's see if I can find some coal here.
I see a lot of coal upstairs, you know.
Okay, yeah, this is just going too deep, I think. Wait.
Yeah, I think in the coal that's up there somewhere. Okay, we can go here. Hold on.
Okay, wait. I'm
What?
grabbing all the iron I can, bro.
Do it. Grab the iron. Iron you grab. Grab the iron.
Alright. Oh my god. Hold on, can you see in the dark? Yeah, barely.
Oh, there's a zombie there.
So
Great.
much iron, bro.
Oh, slime.
So much iron, bro. Guacamole, man.
What the heck is going on here? Oh my god, this cave goes so much bigger.
Yep.
Ah!
Oh, coal. Nice.
Nice.
I should just use all the coal to
Create more coal.
torches, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the. Or maybe. We need maybe some for smelting.
Oh yeah, I used it all. Wait.
Oh, I didn't think about that until now.
There'll
Now I
probably be
thought
more
about it.
somewhere around here, I think. I feel like.
You just go look. I will just be mining here.
So much iron, but not coal.
Yeah,
Makes you
because we're.
think.
I see coal up here. Should I be? Oh no, I won't be able to go there. Great. Oh, maybe I can. Wait. Let me go. Why are you so deep down?
Looking for the coals in the mines.
Coal is upstairs, not downstairs.
Yeah, that's
I
true.
thought you knew that already.
Yeah, that's true. I go up.
We're going up. It's
But
our
down a
moment.
moment. I just a moment. Whoa,
Up with our voices. You know, together we're glowing. We're gonna be golden. I'm done hiding.
Now I'm
What are you
finding
singing? I am
like
sighted.
I'm gonna be. Whoa, I am. Da-da. Gotta be golden. Alright.
Please be more coal, please be more. Oh, nice.
More iron. Yeah, bro, I'm getting like
Take it.
40 iron or something. Yeah, 40 iron.
Okay. Oh, nice. Then we just create full iron suit
Yep.
and be stacked.
Yes, sir. Like I'm born to be. Oh my
We
god.
are hunters, voice is stronger. I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment.
Shiver the golden. Even more iron. Whoa, oh, oh.
Oh, iron, iron, a lot
So
of
much
iron.
iron. Will I
Iron.
ever need more? Probably
Oh.
not.
We don't need more iron. I don't think we need more iron. I don't think
Ah!
iron.
Wait,
What?
nothing.
Halfdan's dying. Now I'm flying.
Crying.
No, crying. Yes,
Yeah.
very good. Crying because it's so sad. We're playing hardcore.
Minecraft hardcore mode and I don't want to die.
Oh, but I think we're gonna die anyway. Hey, gonna die anyway. Hey, hey, hey. Gonna die anyway. Hey, because you never succeeded to winning Minecraft, but we still try to beat the game today.
We
never
always
give
die
up.
in Nether world cause Nether is so
It's so lame.
lame.
Oh, we're gonna be dying. We're gonna be
We're gonna be
dying. We're gonna be. But I'm still trying. Please don't go crying. We just need
I'm
diamonds.
way too far down. I should not be this deep. With
I
only
have
stone
5
pickaxe.
coal. But now I'm slow. Where is the place I was?
Bro, I got stack of iron, bro. You won't believe.
Damn, girl. Damn, girl.
Oh my god.
Bro, now we're just doing the same thing we did once, like playing this separate game, you know. I'm playing my game, you're playing your game.
Yep. I need coal. I just need coal, man. Oh my god, we got tough! This is so tough.
Bro, you want the tough thing.
This is so tough in Iceland.
Come on, find me and smelt all the iron.
Yes.
In like 5 different ovens, so it goes fast.
Okay, nice. So everything be like brr.
Oh, don't you have like the cooker thing? Does it work for iron?
I didn't grab
No,
it. I
maybe
didn't grab it.
Oh, bro, why not?
I didn't have pickaxe when we were in village, you know.
Why not?
Wait, do you have 5 different things? No.
No, we can create 5 furnaces.
Oh, okay. If that's the plan, then that's the plan. We just do what we have to do.
Make it go quick. Make it go quick. You know?
Oh my god, guys, you're almost at 6-7 subscribers, chat. Come on.
6, 7. Oh, there's more here.
Guacamole.
Hold on. This is what we were looking for. Okay, let's cook. Come.
Diamond!
Cook.
Diamond, Matti.
No way.
Diamond!
No, you're lying.
I swear to god there's diamond down there. So come on,
Wait.
look here. Straight down.
Oh yeah, diamond.
Yeah.
No, it's not diamond.
Yes, diamond.
Uh,
It's diamond,
maybe
Matti.
better at this than me.
It is diamond, what do you mean?
Let's come. Hey, oh, coal. Nice.
Okay.
Start creating ovens.
Alright.
You better start cooking.
Where's your crafting
if you're
table,
gonna
bro?
get-
Where's your crafting table?
In my inventory.
Yeah, place down. I don't have. Diamond down. That's right, chat.
Bro, iron.
Alright, I'll waste my
Okay,
final wood blocks.
No.
on crafting.
Hold on. You just have to wait like everyone else.
I'm so excited for
Do you want to
diamonds.
see anything?
Yeah, come on.
If you want to see anything, here you go.
Nice. Very good.
I created 2 furnaces.
Now we have 4 furnaces.
Okay, just split the iron around.
Alright. 16 in each.
Oh, hold on. Sleep.
Alright.
Why doesn't it go faster when you sleep?
Oh, that would be such a life hack, not gonna lie.
I always melt in nighttime.
Wait, where's the coal? Oh, it's here.
Oh, you're taking all my coal. Okay. I see how it
I
is.
don't have any coal, bro. I don't have any coal.
Ah, skeleton with armor. Oh, it's like the bad skeleton, the other one, you know.
What? With
Okay,
a skeleton?
create shields.
Yeah.
No, it's the white one. Okay, I'm gonna create shield.
Create 2 shield.
Yep.
And we got diamonds over there, so we should be good.
Here you go, take it. Oh, bro, you didn't take it. Take it.
I didn't take it.
Oh, okay, take it.
Nice, I got it.
Okay, iron sword. I have iron sword now. Can you create yourself an iron sword?
Yes.
Perfect.
I'll do iron pickaxe, iron sword. I'll go grab the diamonds real quick, I think.
No. You'll just go deep down and you won't be able to come up.
I see like a way up. I think it's not that hard.
Okay, you do you. I'm gonna fight the skeleton.
My god, sorry.
Oh, it has enchanted arrows.
Oh my god. Matti. Oh my god, let's go.
Yeah.
We got 6, 7.
Oh, I got slowness. God damn it.
Okay, diamond over there. And a diamond somewhere else, I think.
Did you get a diamond?
I'm going to get it with just figuring the smartest way about this. Wait. Slime block. Not too shabby, not gonna lie. Wait. Gonna get those diamonds.
So we back in the mine, got our package swinging from side to side to side.
Alright. I think I saw 2 diamonds.
Oh, wow, so much coal. Wait, I need that. We need the coal.
Okay, we have diamond over there.
Guys, people will forget, you know, you need coal in Minecraft.
Yep.
That's what we have learned in all these runs. We need coal.
Diamond over there.
Are you lying?
Wait. I'm just trying to get it. Oh my god, almost.
Are you literally finding diamond right now?
I'm getting the diamond that we found earlier.
Is it literally a diamond?
It's literally a diamond.
Damn, son.
I know.
And I'm here just mining coal, you know. That's the difference.
Oh my god. So much diamond, baby. Let's go. One diamond, 2 diamond. Okay, let's see. Give me more.
Give me more diamond.
Give me more diamonds, my god. I need those diamonds very bad. I need those diamonds.
Give me diamond. Give me more diamond.
Give
Oh
me. Oh my god, it fell down. Are you kidding me?
Bro, you can't let it be there. You have to go grab it.
I know.
No.
Yes, I said I know. I said I know.
Oh, I said no, I'm not gonna grab it. Bro. 972 subscribers.
Holy guacamole, we're almost at 100k!
Guys, it's gonna happen on the stream.
It's literally gonna happen on the stream. Oh my god, we were here earlier.
Ah,
that means
wait.
I can just go here
Ah,
up.
cool. You can just build up. Do you have blocks?
No, I could go another way. I know my way around this cave, bro.
Very good.
Guys, if you're not subscribed, just subscribe right now. Oh my god.
Be there before 100k, guys. Then you can go and chat and say, I was there before 100k. You watched the journey, the whole journey. Okay, I think we should create like an epic video when we get 100k.
Oh yes. We'll have to work on it
Yeah,
right
we'll
away.
post it tomorrow. It's gonna be an epic, like cinematic video.
Yes.
Like they were nothing, but now they are 100k, you know?
Oh my god, yes. Let's do it.
That's my idea of a video, good video.
It's a good video.
They were nothing, but now they are 100k subscribers. And then like, but we need to wait until we get the plaque, you know? It needs to be in the video.
Oh yes, yes, true.
It's very important to show the plaque in the video, otherwise no one will believe me.
Yeah, yeah, that's true, that's true, that's true.
How many diamonds do you have?
2.
Okay, we need one more. Literally one more.
I know. Okay, I'll create full iron suit.
Yeah, I have the iron.
Can you do for me?
Yeah, take it here, take it here.
Nice. Alright. Let's do this. And let's do this. And let's do this. And let's do this. Aha! And then we should be good to go.
Take the baked potatoes in the oven.
Nice.
Bro, why are you throwing away lapis? You don't understand how valuable lapis is.
Yeah, okay.
What are you gonna do when you need to enchant, huh?
Alright,
You don't have lapis.
let's go down there and look for one more diamond, bro.
Yeah, let's do it.
Because we only need one more diamond to succeed.
Oh, wait, I know it was in the last save. I was like, where the fuck is my axe? But then I realized, I don't have it in this world. It's in the one I died in.
That's true. Oh my god.
I'm done.
Wait. Can you do torches? I don't have torches.
Yes, I can create torches. Boom. Take this.
Thank you. Alright, let's go down. Come on.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you! Helfart!
Shh. Eat, Matti. Are you serious? Bro, if you did not have iron armor, you would have died.
Oh yeah. Badly.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Halfahart,
You
guys.
did not
we're living on
follow-
the edge.
You did not follow the way.
No, I didn't know the way. Do you know
Do you
the
know
way?
the way? Alright.
Do you know the way? Guys, you remember that?
Only OGs remember do you know the way, bro.
Oh, that
OGs.
was peak. Then I was like, oh, I really want to play with VR chat, but I don't have VR. Oh, should we create VR chat video, guys? Would you like that?
Oh my god, we should go to VR. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Alright.
Iron!
Yeah, we don't need.
Oh,
I have 36.
how much iron do you have?
36.
36. Ah, perfect. Okay.
Let's just look for
We're
the
good,
diamond.
we're good. Yeah. Lapis.
You can take it.
Yeah, you don't understand how important lapis is, you know. You can't appreciate good lapis. I get it.
Yeah, look up also when you're looking for diamond. It could be anywhere, in any corner.
Actually gold, we don't need that. Oh, we maybe need that later, but not now.
Flip, flop, flip, flip, flop, flop, flip, flop, flippity, floppity, flippity, floppity, flippity, floppity, flippity.
Oh, bro, we're back here. Very interesting.
Yep. Wait. Keep on going.
Where have we not gone?
Wait, there's a dead end.
Okay, where did you find the other diamond?
It was just right there where we went down.
Let's just go. Yes, Georg. I know you're having a hard time not going outside because you're an indoor cat. Yes. Hello, Georg. Wherever you found the diamond, let's just go dig straight where that is.
Oh, that's over there.
Go there. Let's just dig straight.
I don't know if that's the best way to do it. I think.
There's no more cave here.
Wait, did we explore the whole?
Yes,
System.
it's just one line.
How about here? Is there nothing more to be explored?
You can try to explore more, but there is nothing else to explore.
Alright.
That's the best idea I have, to just strip mine wherever it was.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the diamond level, you know.
Alright.
Yes, Georg. Where are you? Okay. Do that. I'd go in the other direction and then just we find diamonds and we're good, you know.
Okay, wait. What level are we at?
Lapis! Oh, wait, I can turn on the coordinates. Wait. General. No, wait. It's in game. No, it's in general.
Alright, so your plan just dig and hope we find.
Bro, do you have a better plan?
No, not really.
Okay, I don't know how to find
I found
the
diamonds here.
coordinates thing. Wait, I'll just go like this. Hold on, you can just turn on the coordinates. I'll just make you an admin.
Alright.
Wait. Operator. How do I turn you? Bro, I've forgotten all my Minecraft skills.
Your Minecraft skills, man. Bro.
Edit gameplay permission. Custom. No, operator.
100k coming soon, chat. What attempt is this?
Okay.
What run is this number? Do you remember?
I think 15 or 16.
Something like that. Come on. Bring me diamonds. Minecraft
Maybe
gods.
my idea is bad, but where are you? Here.
Bring me diamonds. Bring me diamonds.
Hold on, can you enable the coordinates?
Yes.
You have the permission to do it.
Alright, let's see.
Guys, we need 20 subscribers.
That's literally crazy, not gonna lie. Wait.
Yeah, wait.
Wait, sorry, I'm looking for this thing. Multiplayer maybe, game settings.
Yeah.
Show coordinates, bang, now I can see. But chat cannot see. 20 subs to go, chat, come on. We're so close. Come on, White Gang community, let's come together. We're all in this together.
Okay, I was trying to figure out how to screen record, but we're live streaming it, so we can't.
Yeah, nothing here. Maybe if we go... Oh my god.
What level is it on, right, guys?
Now we're in -3. They say -54 for best luck.
Okay, let's just go there.
Wait.
-50?
54.
Bro, that's so deep.
I know. I know, man. I know.
Diamond!
No way.
I literally was strip mining and I found diamond. Holy guacamole. 3 diamonds here.
Oh my god, you're the best.
Oh, 4 diamonds.
Holy
wait.
guac, man.
I'm gonna dig around it just to make sure there's no lava or something.
Oh my god, I'm coming to you.
Come to my cave. Bro, strip mining is the way, guys. That's what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3. Move. 3, 4, 5.
We have 7 diamonds now. Let's go.
Okay, wait. Let's go. Wait, I'm having good luck here.
Yeah, we don't need more diamonds, bro. We have pickaxe. We can go to
Hold
Nether.
on.
We can go to Nether.
We've always died in the Nether. We need to get more prepared.
Matti, there's... diamonds and 100k in same day.
Hey, guys, should I look for more diamonds or should we just call it quits?
Chat, what do you think? More diamonds or go to nether? Go to nether. I let chat decide.
Yeah, chat can decide.
I think it's
Bro.
more exciting to go to nether, not gonna lie. Personally.
Yeah, true. They choose. It's their stream. We're just their puppets.
More diamonds, more diamonds, more diamonds. Diamond armor. They want diamond armor. Go to nether.
That's what I'm saying. Oh.
Some people say go to nether. Most people say diamonds.
Okay, let's send a little bit more diamonds.
Alright.
I know how Haldan is. He just wants to go to nether.
Sometimes you need to do this also. I've seen this.
Negative 50.
54, I think.
Bro, that's so much deeper down.
Yep.
But we've found so many diamonds on not negative 50.
It's just where the most diamonds spawn. Nether portal. Manifesting good spawn point in nether. Yeah, come on chat. Manifest good spawn. We need a good nether spawn.
Oh, diamond, 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 diamond!
Let's go, man.
Bro, I'm telling you, this strip mining thing is peak.
For gold.
2 diamonds. 3 diamonds.
Nice,
3 diamonds.
man.
4 diamonds.
Yo, what the flip, man?
5 diamonds, 5 diamonds, 5 diamonds. Bro,
we-
people will think I'm X-raying.
Maybe you are actually.
Guys, I'm gonna show you my screen just in case. See, no X-ray mod or anything.
Oh my god.
No X-ray mod, guys, no X-ray mod. That's my proof. But I just wanted to show you guys so you don't think that I'm X-raying because I'm strip mining and finding diamonds.
Yeah, that's
Hold on,
true.
you should be strip mining too, bro.
I am strip mining, what do you mean?
And you're not finding any diamonds?
Nope.
Wait. Okay, we can do swords now.
Should we?
No, not now, but
Oh.
we can make, you know.
Okay, true. Very true, very true, very true. More damage.
Wait, you have 3 diamonds, right?
2 diamonds.
Okay, I have 10 diamonds, so we have
Oh my
12
god,
diamonds.
we got so many diamonds, bro. The diamonds.
Guys, 15 subscribers.
I know. This is crazy. We're so getting 100k, bro. We're so getting 100k and we're so getting diamonds. We're so
Oh my
beating
god,
Minecraft.
guys, this best day of my life, best day of my life. 100k and diamonds in one day. It's crazy.
That is crazy. I'm almost out of wood. Do you have lots of wood?
I have some wood.
Nice. Very good, very good. I'll do axe also. For the sake of it. Ah, no. Wait.
You say minus 54.
Minus 54 for diamonds.
Gold here, I'm gonna grab it.
Mm-hmm. Come on!
15 subscribers, guys.
16. Let's go.
Call your 15 friends.
Make all of your 15 roommates subscribe. Oh my god. That's crazy. They grow up so fast. I can't believe we're at this moment, chat. This is our moment.
It's a moment in life, guys.
Oh yeah, we're already here. Okay, nice. Just go this direction or something.
14
Diamonds,
subscribers, guys,
baby!
What?
Level 55, I found diamonds.
55? Are you at 55?
Bro, it doesn't really matter. Oh my god, if I would have mined at 54, I also would have found diamond. It's the same thing. Oh my god,
How much diamond do you find?
let's see. I'm a mine around it. I don't want to.
Yeah, always mine around. Always mine around.
Let's see what we get, boys! Oh my god, the diamonds. The diamonds! We got so many!
Bro, I'm starting to think this stream needs to be a two-parter.
Might need to, honestly.
It's going so well, because when are we leaving, Haldan? In 1 hour. 1 hour.
Yeah, something like that. Okay. We got 1 diamond,
If
2 diamond.
if we survive
3
for 1 hour
diamond!
more, we have 15 diamonds now. 15. Oh wait, I'm at level 58, 57, 56, 55, 54. 54 here. Let's just start digging. Oh, diamond!
Let's go!
1 diamond. 2 diamond. 3 diamond. 4 diamond. 4
Hell
diamonds.
yeah.
Should I mine around it, like? Just to make sure.
That's not crazy.
Guys, we have so much diamonds. Holy shit.
Wait, is there lava?
We've always just gotten 3 diamonds and then ran away like
I'm checking if
chickens.
it's cave or lava, chat. No worries.
Oh, be careful. Don't walk into the lava.
I found cave. Wait.
Don't walk into the lava.
No,
No
I
matter
will
what you do, don't walk into lava.
not. Wait, let me check. I'm being very careful. Don't
Wait,
shoot
how much
very
diamonds
close.
do you have, right?
5.
Okay, then we have 19 diamonds.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna close this up.
Redstone.
Let me wait a little bit. Just wait a little bit. Oh my god. 11 subscribers! It's happening!
Holy guacamole, guys. It's happening on stream. Oh my god.
This is gonna be it, chat. This is as big as it's gonna get, so enjoy it! Had to give you a career to destroy it. Pwah, 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 pwah. I feel like there
Did you find
must...
any more diamonds?
I feel I'm in a cave, so I feel like there must be diamonds here. I'm
Oh wait,
certain.
I hear zombies. That means there's a cave here.
Oh my god, lots of lava. Should we go up, chat?
We have 19 diamonds. You choose, guys. Chat chooses. 10 subscribers, guys. 10 subscribers.
10 subscribers and 19 diamonds. What is happening today? This is a great day.
You choose, guys. Should we go up or should we look for more diamonds? Chat chooses. What is chat saying, Aldan?
Chat is just saying 10.
10?
10 subscribers.
What do you mean 10? Oh. Yeah, no, I'm talking about diamonds or going up. We
Yeah,
need
chat,
8
nether
subscribers.
or more diamonds? What do you think?
You guys choose. It's your stream. You're watching. You choose. Oh. Wait. I found lava and obsidian.
Go up. Nether. Yeah, they say go up.
Go up.
Let's use all the diamonds we have to do armor, I think.
I'm here. I see lava and should I grab the obsidian?
Do you have diamond pickaxe?
I can create a diamond pickaxe.
Alright.
Okay, I create diamond pickaxe. That's agreed?
Agreed.
Okay, I've crafted it. I have to make an iron one too.
Chat, watch me die tragically. Wait,
Are you coming to me or are you... Where are you going?
finding my way up.
We're going up. I'm gonna hit the bucket. Oh, bro, I don't have enough iron for bucket. Are you kidding me?
What the flippery?
Oh, I have to smash some iron.
Oh my god,
Smashing
Mate, it's
iron.
happening, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening!
Guys!
Yo, yo,
Guys,
yo, yo, yo,
guys.
yo!
Guys! Are you ready for this?
It's literally happening. Wait, let me create a cage around me real quick. I would need to watch this happen! 100,000 subscribers!
100,000 subscribers, guys! Whoa! We've reached
Yo!
100k, baby! 100k!
Holy guacamole, chat!
After
Oh
one
my
long year
god!
of trying to get 100,000 subscribers, we finally succeeded.
Oh my god! Chat is going crazy!
100,000, guys! Bam, 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 bam!
Before end of May,
102.
chat, let's go!
Guys, we did it in May. Oh my. Woo! Wow.
My god, I
Guys.
can't believe it.
Finally, after a long year of posting on YouTube.
Bro, this journey has been crazy. Don't go down, chat!
Like
Oh my god.
posting on and off on YouTube. We've not been... Sometimes we post a lot, sometimes we don't post anything. No, don't go down, don't go down. No, no. Don't go, no, no.
No! No, no!
We lost it. We lost it.
We can't lose the 100,000. Okay, we're now at exactly 100,000. Oh
No,
my god.
on 99.
Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. We finally did
Guys,
it.
thank you.
No, we're
Thank
back
you.
at 99. Oh, we're back at 100.
Yeah, we're back at 100.
Okay, oof.
Guys, wow.
No, we're at 99.
Thank you. No, don't.
We're
No,
99.
thank you.
Come on.
Guys, stop unsubscribing. Guys, you're trolling. You guys, stop trolling. No, stop
100,000. We're
trolling.
100,000. We're 100,000.
No, 99. We're 99.
We're 100,000 now.
No, we're 99. We're 98. Guys, why are you trolling?
Oh
Why are you
my
trolling?
god.
100,000.
Are we back? Are we back?
100,000.
Are we back?
Yeah, 101, 101, 102. Come on,
Wait,
just
wait.
get... No, stop trolling, guys. No, don't go down. No.
I'm gonna make
99.
this bigger.
Guys,
Oh
why
my
are you
God.
trolling? Why are you trolling?
No, it's perfect. We're hot 100k.
No, 97. We're 97.
Oh my god. 99 again!
No, we're 97 at my screen. See.
Oh my
96. People are trolling. Stop trolling me.
No,
95.
I think it's funny.
No.
Hey, we at least, Matti, we reached 100,000
We
subscribers
reached 100,000
at one
one
point.
day.
At one point,
Yeah, true.
we truly did reach 100,000
In
subscribers.
one point in my life, I had 100,000 subscribers.
We can always say
but
that.
not anymore.
It's
True.
not about what is happening right now, you know. You don't need to
Yeah, guys are
It's
trolling
about
me.
what
They're
happened
trolling me.
in the in the past. It's okay. Yeah, chat, we
True.
made it to 100k. We made it to 100k.
Guys, thank you everyone who has contributed to the Vibe Gang and watched our videos, our silly videos.
Thank you for listening to music. We're back at 100k. Let's
Thank-
go.
Yeah, let's go. We're so back, guys. We're so back.
Oh my god. Oh my god. 100k subscriber special is gonna go crazy. Not gonna lie.
Oh, guys, you have to wait for it. It will be so good. It will be so good.
We'll do something diabolical. All right.
Guys, you won't believe what will happen.
Let's get out of this
100K
cave,
subscribers.
Matti. Let's get out of this cave.
No, I'm getting obsidian.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. And I will just keep on looking for diamonds or something. I don't know. Oh my god, 104.
Yeah.
Yeah, I reveal at 100k. I reveal at 100k. I reveal at 100k.
Guys, you
I
will
promise.
get the Irevill. You will get the Irevill.
I will promise you.
You will get the Irevill we have promised.
I found diamonds!
No way.
Bro, finding diamonds at the same time as we're reaching 100k is crazy, not gonna lie.
That's diabolical, guys. That's something that only happens in the movies.
You only think this happened in like the blockbuster movies, bro. But look at us now.
But no, see, it's happening in real life.
Reaching 100k and finding diamonds at the same time. That is crazy, chat.
This is like the craziest thing you can be doing. Getting 100k and finding diamonds. It's like, damn, that's double hard, you know?
God damn, chat, show your eyes. Chat,
Guys.
we will do the video, we'll do the video.
You will get a video with Irivel. You cannot reveal the eyes right now, I'm sorry. But we will do it on video. And so everyone can see, not just exclusive on stream, you know?
Oh my
Everyone
god.
needs to see these eyes, but you will probably unsubscribe when you see the eyes, so hope not. Damn, guys. This has been a goddamn journey.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're already there. What more missions do I have left in life, bro? I'm accomplishing every single thing I wanted to do. What is this?
Guys, that's so crazy.
Come on. Ah. Chat, I'm so thankful for you guys. I appreciate you.
Oh, guys, you can't... I think you don't understand how thankful we are.
Bro, every mission we set ourselves to, you guys help us reach it. It's crazy.
You guys are helping us creating our dreams.
Bro, this is such a childhood core memory, like wanting to be a YouTuber and getting 100,000 subscribers. I wanted
that's the only thing we wanted. When we were children, we were always talking about this play button, this goddamn play button.
We always wanted that play button, and now we have it. Oh no, we don't have it actually. I can't wait to have it. I can put it next to Roa plaque. Bro,
like what is more of value, 100k or a Roa plaque? Ooh.
I think 100k.
Yeah, I think so too.
Bro, 100k is like such a childhood dream, bro. This is like literally when I was like 10 years old. Watching PewDiePie and something.
We see like, oh, he got 100K.
I wanted so much to get this.
Yeah, this is the thing we've always wanted in life. It's like the biggest thing we wanted.
Like we had the bet.
I know it's.
We had the bet going on, like who would be first to get 100k in life on YouTube.
But we do it at the same time.
But now it's kinda beautiful that we do it at the same time.
Yes, it's more beautiful to do it at the same time
we
than
had,
just
we had,
one
we
of
had
us.
100,000 Icelandic kroners on the line.
Yeah, that's I don't know how much money that is in your currency, guys, but it's very much money.
Oh my god.
We're like, the loser has to pay. No, the winner has to pay. No, the loser has to pay. I don't know. I haven't figured out the logistic of this bet.
Oh my god, this is crazy. I'm so happy, actually. Literally.
Yeah, guys, this made our day, or our week, or year.
This is the best thing happening to me today, or to this week, or this month.
Yeah, this year, I would say.
It's so crazy. I can't believe we're already there. Vibe Gang at million before end of May last year. Come on, chat. Let's get to million subscribers. Think bigger, chat.
Did you say million last year?
No, before end of May next year.
Yeah, you said last year. That's what you said.
Oh. No, 1 million subscribers.
Before next year.
Chat, we're gonna get there.
Million subscribers, guys. 1 million subscribers before the end of May.
We're so gonna get there.
Yes, Georg, I know. Georg is so happy.
Bro, even the cat is happy, bro. What a beautiful day.
Georg is like so happy. I've never seen such a happy cat. Yes, Georg, I know. It's incredible.
It is.
Yes.
What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day it is.
Beautiful day to be alive, baby.
Oh, we 100k, man.
Georg,
what?
No.
What else is there left to do, man? We've done everything.
15 million subscribers.
Bro, it's so like, I don't know, it's so motivational. Is there anything left to do? Just million maybe? Should we retire now?
No, we cannot retire. The people just gave us 100,000 subscribers. You can't retire. Are you kidding?
Yeah, we should retire Vibe retire at million subscriber.
Oh, no, then they don't want to get us to million. Are you crazy? You can't.
Oh yeah, I will remember this date forever also.
Yes, the day we were playing Minecraft and found diamonds and got 100k. I have obsidian. I have 26 obsidian.
Yeah, let's get up. Mine yourself up, and then we find each other. What a beautiful day.
Wow, guys, we have 100k. It's crazy.
I kinda don't believe it, you know.
No, not me either.
And it's just like a mission we've been having like for a long time, and then it happens.
Yeah,
and then
this
like,
has been
wow,
a mission for. It's been a mission since we were kids. Tiny little kids. This was like our dream.
It is kinda crazy.
We never could have imagined that we would get 100k.
I always knew we would end up there one day. One day.
Yeah, I had the faith. I had faith.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
I see an attack.
Yeah, me too. I ended up in the cave. Hell yeah. Now we go to Nether and don't die and imagine that day, bro. Imagine that day.
Bro, if we win Minecraft today, that would be
kinda crazy. 100,000 subscribers!
Oh, guys, you won't believe the special we have planned.
Oh my god.
It's been in the plans for 15 years.
That's so true. Alright, let's sleep.
Yeah, let's sleep here. I have the beds.
Nice. Place them down.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, bro. Wow. 100k, baby.
Hell yeah. That's wild. Wild!
It's very wild. Get the gold.
Yeah.
See, another skeleton, like scary skeleton.
Yeah, don't mess with it. Let's just go up.
Yeah, true. Can we go in this water?
Yep.
Ah! I'm so bad at elevating.
It's not that hard. It's not that hard. We're
But
at
I'm bad at
100k,
it,
you
though.
can do whatever you want.
That's true. Everything in life is achievable, guys. This shows you that everything's... Even though if you're a silly guy with glasses, you can get 100k.
That's so true.
Okay,
So
let's go
true.
somewhere that's not snow.
Thank you. Why not?
Come on. This is a bad place to put down a nether portal.
Do we have enough for a nether portal back home also?
I have 26, yes.
Yeah, nice. Alright, let's go
Yes,
through.
Georg, I know it's hard.
Let's go through here, man.
Yeah.
I see a pillager
Little
structure.
brother, Jakey, me,
Bros,
huh?
me. Little brother, Jakey, standing on his own 2 feet. Yeah.
Huh?
What the hell?
What the hell?
Oh my god. Hi, folks. Bye, folks. Okay, come on, follow me.
Hi, folks. Yeah, I'm coming.
Nice, very good. Let me get some wood in. Very good.
Can we get... Oh, wait. Okay, come here.
Next song will be a 100k special song.
Yeah, it's gonna be a... We got 100k song. Finally. What is this? This farmer? What? There's a solo farmer here. What does he have in here?
There's one guy farming with no friends. No, it's a village, bro. What do you mean?
Oh, it's a village. I thought I only saw one guy.
Lol. Mega lol. Yeah, let's put down the nether portal somewhere around here.
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna craft... I know you'll be mad at me, hold on, but it's worth it. Trust
Enchantment
me, bro.
table.
Bro, it's worth it. Trust me.
Alright. Whatever. We're gonna put down the nether portal. I just wanna go to nether! Ah!
Hey.
Ah!
Remember, hold on. It's worth it.
Alright.
What am I missing? Ah, the book. That's okay, the book.
Hello.
Georg!
Wow.
Stop! Georg!
Congrats on hitting 100k. Thank you. This is crazy. What a beautiful journey. Yeah, nice. Journey of the century, they say. Journey of the century.
Oh, should I do knockback or sharpness, guys? Sharpness or knockback? I'm gonna do...
I think sharpness better. I don't know. Let's craft a diamond sword. Do you have diamond sword?
No, but we can create.
Alright. I will create myself a diamond sword. And then I will create myself... Wait. No, it's wrong. Is there a block called Tough? Yes, there's a block called Tough! And it's the best block.
Yep.
I need better than unbreaking. I want... Okay, let me create diamond pickaxe also. Give me something good, give me something good. Unbreaking. Efficiency 1. I guess.
Okay, I'm done with all my levels, so this is gotta do.
Alright, I got knockback.
Georg, what are you doing?
Knockback on my sword.
Okay, we need bow.
Protection 1.
Do you have any string?
No.
And then we need arrows. That's gonna be a mission.
Let's just see where the nether spawn is first.
Okay. As you want. Because how
Knockback over on break is knockback, is that not good?
Knockback is like the jump.
Yeah.
That's probably good. I would say it's good.
Alright, build the portal, my friend. Build the portal. Do you have flint and steel?
Yes.
Very good. Let's prank vibe, shall we? Oh my god.
Don't prank me, man.
Let's see where we go.
Okay, you just go first.
Yes. Alright. Yeah, we're in some cave.
Cave, again.
No, but... No, actually we're not. Oh my god, sorry. Wait.
Ah, I'm stuck in the portal. Bro, I have 7 minutes left.
100k gang! What's up?
100k gang.
I'ma try the knockback.
Bro, hold on, don't just go fighting just because.
No.
Bro, that's the most stupid thing I've ever heard. I'm just gonna go fighting.
Oh, the knockback is kinda annoying. It's kinda hard to fight with it. Because the skeletons just go further away.
Don't you know the trick? What I did when I got bad enchants. Oh, what is this? Holy guacamole. Ah.
What? Are you in nether?
Yes. This pig. It's gonna attack me, or is it friendly?
Wait, let me come.
I really don't wanna die.
Just think you're good.
That means the piglings are here.
Oh, Gast.
Where are you? Oh my god, you're here.
Yep. What's up, dog?
Come here. Are you dying?
No.
What are you doing? Come.
I'm coming.
See,
Just
there's a pig here.
don't want to fall down.
There's pig. Where's the pig? You will never believe me. Here it is. Here
What?
it is. See.
Oh yeah, he wants to kill you.
Okay, go. Hide,
No.
hide.
We're good.
Now I just want to hide instead of killing, you know. Because we will die. Skeleton! Skeleton, another one!
Watch, don't hit the zombie. The pig zombie.
Yeah, I know.
Ah! Watch out! Another pig! Okay, run! Hide!
Where to?
I don't know. Yeah, I forgot. We need golden boots or something, bro.
Okay. I have some gold.
Yeah, I can smelt myself golden boots and then they are friendly.
Okay, wait.
But maybe because we killed their friend, maybe they will not be friendly. I don't know.
I'm not sure. I'm not a pro at nether.
Okay.
Okay, smelt. Get golden boots. I'm gonna go pee.
I have bow. I have no coal though. I have wood. It's okay. But do I have food? I do not. Oh yeah, I have. Some potato. Guys, I'm tired. You guys took my energy by hitting 100k. I don't know if that's good or not. What the hell?
Why did you scream? Are you dead?
Yes.
No.
I didn't have blocks in my inventory. And I was just gonna... I didn't know there was a guy in front. And then I couldn't place any blocks to hide.
Oh.
But we hit 100k, chat. We hit 100k. And it was a fun stream.
Well...
We had to go either way.
Bro, I still have 7 diamonds. Think about that.
Bro, there's a zombie pig man with diamond sword here.
Wait, are you in the nether?
No, I was just back to the... I'm dead. Matthew. Wait.
No. No.
I know.
Oh well. One day we will.
We will beat it one day.
Bro, it's so hard to beat this game.
But what really matters is we got 100k!
100K!
Let's
about that, guys.
go, chat. Alright, 100k special dropping tomorrow. And
tomorrow? Oh, okay.
Or something, right?
Probably.
We'll figure something out, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you for watching this stream, guys.
Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all 100,000 of you.
Oh, yes. Every single one of you. You like our babies.
That is true. Alright.
We will take good care of you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Even though I died tragically. See you guys around.
Yeah, that was bad that day.
Yep. Alright. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.
Thank you.